Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Hello everyone, good evening.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3.
We have here Meghashree Roy, who has secured the first positions. Pynkup, who secured 10th position. And from the common stream, Batina Lito, who secured 7th position. Many students, 380 students appeared in arts, all passed. 7%. Science stream, 105 of them appeared. There is one failure, 99.04%. 41 appeared, there is one failure. To make more special, we now wish to express our appreciation in a small yet meaningful way. As a token of our love and gratitude, we present this bouquet of flowers symbolizing our admiration, respect and heartfelt congratulations to Meghashree Roy, who secured the first positions. Dedicated to our teachers, let these flowers remind you that of the fragrance of your hard work and the beauty of your success. We also invite you to join school family. Quiet, yes. Congratulations to all. Life is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Along the way, we meet challenges that test our strength and our spirit. In those moments, the most important thing we can do is keep believing in ourselves, in our dreams and the future we're building. Because every step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to who we are meant to be. So keep going. And also to be a source of motivation for everyone here. See, studying and acing an exam is not a rocket science. Studying is quite easy if you do it very smartly. You should know how to study. And I know that in June your half yearly are
approaching, and I would like to tell you that please focus in your studies because it's not too late to start yet. And I know that most of you, since I've also been one of you, and I know most of you don't give much emphasis to unit tests or maybe half yearly or pre-boards. You just give more importance to boards. But that is really wrong because if you study pre-boards, most of the subjects or your syllabus is already completed. See, unit tests are very important. I really want to emphasize on unit tests consist of at least 2 chapters, and if you prepare those very well, right? I want to tell those who have prepared very well for unit tests that the syllabus of half yearly is cut down half because you have already prepared 2 chapters and the maximum of chapters which you need to learn is around 3 or 4 instead of covering 6 chapters if you have not prepared for unit tests. And studying is a consistent thing. You don't need to study every day for 5-6 hours. It's just 1 hour, be it 30 minutes as well. If you just focus in those 30 minutes, right, you will know that there will be a greater impact. Don't just read the book as it's that and it's done. No. Don't read it. Try to understand. Try to make sense of the text. Because if you understand right, it will help you a lot. And don't think that, oh, I'll just appear the boards and it's done. Because most of you will be going for colleges, in fact all. And CUET is very tough. And CUET syllabus is your syllabus of the present books which you are studying right now. So if you study well for your present syllabus, that's for especially higher secondary students, your CUT is going to be very easy. Plus, studying smartly is also a very important aspect because you know you might have confusions in chapters and